Hi everyone. Today we're going to learn the hand signs for Silent Night. This is the American Sign Language version of Silent Night. I'm going to walk you through each part and then I will do the entire thing as a whole and then set you free to try it on your own. So when I do this in front of the class in the choir room, I always use the opposite hand that you're going to be using just because from your perspective, it'll look as if we're mirroring each other. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your right hand and you're going to make a sh motion, but just with your finger right here. And the first word of the song is silent. So you're going to do silent, as in sound is done. And that's all one word, two movements from one word. Silent. Then you're going to take your left hand and you're going to put your right hand over it as if the sun is setting. And this is night. So we have silent night. Okay. The next set of words, the word holy, you're going to take your right hand, two fingers, kind of palm up like this, and you're going to bring your hand across your palm like this for the word holy. And then night. Again, it's the same exact movement. So we have holy night. So altogether, that chunk is silent night, holy night. Now, the next phrase is all is calm, all is bright. The word all, you're just going to encompass everything. All, you're going to bring your arms both up like this. All is calm, as if you're performing CPR on somebody, but obviously not performing CPR on anyone. So, all is calm, two pumps down. All is bright. Word bright, hands come up like this. So that is all is calm, all is bright. Now, the next chunk, round, young, virgin, mother, and child. You're going to take your fingers and make fours on both sides, and you're going to do the word round. Looks like this. Hands come around to the front of you. Round. You're going to take your right hand, make a peace sign, start up at the temple or your forehead, and come down the side of your face on the right hand side. And that is the word virgin. Mother, put your thumb on your chin, hand comes forward. Mother, the word and, cross your chin like this, like hip, hip, and child, obviously rocking a baby. So again, that whole segment, that whole chunk is round, yan, virgin, mother, and child. Okay. Holy again, holy, infant, and this is where we have a lot of movement. So tender and mild. So, I'm sorry, it's not that part. So tender as in tiny baby, tender, and mild. So you kind of just grab your chin and pull down. Tender and mild. Sleep is going to come all the way down from your forehead down. Sleep as if you're going to sleep. In. So instead of night, in comes in front of you, the back of your hand by your palm. In. Heavenly. So you're going to move your hands up like this. And then on the word peace, your hands come down. You kind of rub your hands together, not viciously, but slowly. And that's in heavenly peace. And then you do the same thing again. Sleep in heavenly peace. So if I do the entire thing from the beginning, and I'm going to go slowly, but it looks like this. Silent night. Holy night. All is calm. All is bright. Round, young, virgin, mother, and child. And we have holy, infant, so tender and mild. Sleep in heavenly peace. Same thing. Sleep in heavenly